But coming back to the UK, the police promise us, once again, after someone British-born, a British-born male, they promise us, even though he went on a mass stabbing attack on the train, giving 10 people life-changing injuries, which means very serious injuries. Some of them may still die. Indiscriminate stabbing attack in an enclosed space. You can't walk your dog, you can't ride the train, you can't send your little girls to a little dance class, and the police promise us it's not terrorism when, I'm sorry, if you get on an enclosed mode of public transport and you start stabbing the shit out of people randomly, that is a terror attack.